How on a day there is no light here on our dining area, so you may not be seeing me clearly, but manage me the way you are seeing me. You're welcome. How are you doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I don't know. Yeah, my free time. I say make I use them flit around before you do the badu. So can now week how will not day? None of my dining area. Check and go show them our dining place. The back residence I Hanana Irindi. This is where I stay. Kuna fugo ngam. Ngana to ye. Hey, abaro mo. This place not to ye, but say make a day here. Nobody yet is here because before they make a noise. So make I come here. How is everyone doing? Beautiful. Hi, Chica, how are you? Mom, nah, what is going on? Why are you still awake? Can you awake? Their phone, no, just fuck up with the follow. Judas, I see you somewhere. Judas is carrot. I see you. Now, do you know here? Chai. Oh, you did too much. Fuck. When I Judas, Juju, when I got more. I greet you. God bless you. They were about wine. Chineke gozie gitu, my dear. Keki me. Hey. God bless that. God, thank you. God bless him, Joe. God bless my better half. My compliment. Welcome. Mama beg, do sub for your boy. Evangelist. This is my first time of seeing you. Say, make I do sub. Which kind of sub? Good morning, Mama. I am in Canada. Watch. Oh, you're welcome. Mecca, you're welcome. I am awake, Juliet. Because no. It's 8:30 p.m. Yes, Ebeki, no. Now they are Chicago time, Ebeki, no. God bless him. Nkira Baro MMO. Nemeka, where you there? Tata. Energy queen. There. Oh, okay. Oh, even a show sakra. Mama menki the schematic. I don't know. Sacramento. I don't know. Are you in United States? Maybe that's one of the states. I don't know what that is. Do Christmas for me. I need somebody. Oh, in Canada. Okay. Okay, when the Canada and Daniel and How at the same time. What don't they do 1 hour ahead of us? I am watching from Soka in Enugu. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, my brother. He's a village in Canada. Okay. Okay, my brother. You're welcome. Ite what the can you know one day no 1 hour ahead of us. When they do give away from alcohol, you will carry money. Won't make a poor woman like me do give away for you. Judas said Ezeugo. No mind waiting they do ya. Ite what Judas that way Judas said where she be there. On your review you go when you got boss. Judas said Ezeugo. You're looking good. Thank you. No, do you not because you're not na Canada. Okay, I will be in Chicago next year. See you soon. Kevin, no wahala. There is no village in Canada, Chris. Our time is 21 a.m. I don't understand. He has money. I know him now. Onya Ezeugo. I'm watching from Anambra State. Wow, my Anambra person. How are you? Today is 5. Yes, so can I come? Can you come where? Thunder, can you come where? Okay, how things now? Things is fine, no. I don't know. I didn't walk. The baby, I love that. I don't know our dining room. Now we're back. Anyway, our dining. Look at it. This is where I am. And I'm here. I'm done with my chatting. So I'm here near Larryanga. Very good. My work, baby. My work. Freezing in. Are you serious? In Charlotte, New York. Would you have to go to Chicago, my dear? Me, good. Please, Mama, how much it will cost me to enter Chicago? Hey, I don't do visa, my brother. Mama, I will be in the States next year. Okay, my brother, you're welcome. She's okay. Your mood today is fantastic. I love that good mood now. I'm ball out with it. Every time with that of Noro now. Every time with it. I love that good mood. I'm in a good mood that you will not understand. Peter, leave here. Peter, leave here. Peter, leave here. Not natural time because mommy, you know, get over the Igbo man that want to marry Nigerian girl. I need to japa. Rachel, okay, I have to see your picture now. Give us JPAC talk. I'm a block go. The temperature here is 5. It is not cold much today. We used to have up to 4. Okay. Now you're not in Chicago. With the woman, I like you somehow. Like me somehow. That's good. Okay, Jessica, we love you. Thank you, Prince. Look, I love you guys too. I love you guys too. Okay, we must decamp Peter from being your PA. I need that position. But they carry a lot of positions. Obodo Igbo na follow Mburu Igbo. See how this matchmaking works. I've seen a lot of people that have met a lot of pleasant people here, very nice people, and I have seen people that have met terrible people as well. Like I normally lament on this nude sharing experience. Please do not share your nude. Do not do WhatsApp call, reduce, because they will screen record you. Things are happening. Man, things are happening. Okay, do you usually check your BP? BP, yes, I do check my BP. I don't have BP. I always on the decent BP. And man, BP. BP. That is, you know, that's my husband. Na ye check la any age gone to school. Na ye more them madumbo. I know me sure. I know they get BP. I know they get anything. Just the way I am. I don't know. I know they way BP. Why there? Bye. Okay, I want to go to. Okay, my brother, go work because I Gemini neighbor. I know call. Dogma, please ignore that. Okay, don't even reply or give her attention. This is my advice. Akoka, no wahala. I will do just that. Okay, I have a sister who is a nursing student. Bikone, I wish she meet a good man abroad. Within the picture, I no can post we. I give pony on a channel. Who are not far, John. Don't you have heater? Yes, I want a heater, but I cannot. Yeah, we no longer now. We have heater, but it's still cold in here. Okay, you don't see. Okay, you don't see. Okay, you don't see now. Not only eat the water with Chichi and after dark, do WhatsApp call for me. Waiting I do. Don't you have a heater? I want a heater, but the thing is that it's still cold. Trust me, it's still cold. I want a heater, but it's still cold. Oh, Laura, it's a big facility. It's a very big facility. You had a spiritual WhatsApp meeting for your sacrament. Yes, yes, my dear. No, we finish here. I'm not chasing now. They get released at 11 o'clock. Nanda shining on extra 30 minutes. And not the stay extra, not 30 minutes. They go home. And I supervisor need today. I don't like to work with him. The guy always talk in everybody's. Jesus. Oh, well, they with the Hannah common supervisor. No long. Yeah, the guy. Nah. But other ones are good. Thank you, Hannah Ronga once or 2 times a week. Okay, bro. Mama, how is work? Work is okay. Work is okay. MJ like at this place. I like Remia. Despite the thought it's from a little far. Because I want other facilities that I can walk close to my place. But this place, the kind of freedom not here. And the kind of layback not here. I have not seen it in many places, in many facilities. Apart from joke. You get away with a lot of things here. You know, they are not that streets. It's only few people, few supervisors that will tell you, have you chat this? Have you do your care? Have you do your wound? Did you chat on wound? Well, you're not supposed to be chatting on some certain wounds because we are not even supposed to be doing wound. But this wound, this man, he may wound, gave me the so we're trying to, you just have to be very, very careful. So you may try to be very mindful and the things that man, Lou, you wanna sit over there? You wanna sit over there? Okay, that's fine. So but it's okay. When I joke now. You're one of the places like a channel. I want to be maybe not better than this place, but the freedom I got chat na each resident. So my little bigger get hate on maybe got you like this. You got like on baton. You should call again. Telling you maybe got you passing on your after dinner medication, lay their alcohol check, you know. That's it. Got chat, yeah. Make sure you chat because I remember those red. So we just speak thing. Give me chaga relax. Unyola no chakona ya as I speak to you. Una occasion actually region on this side. Unyola no chakona ya. You know. Or she said they work for care home. What is wrong with working in care home? Is care home not 85% in America? You they work for care home. Does this place look like a care home to you? Il est almost 12 floors. No care home. Yes, I be support worker. What is your problem? I be support worker. What is your problem? Even I'm a cleaner, not even only support worker. Ozu. Ichena again on the same class. Ichena again on the same class. I'm a saga butaronyo on the floor. 12th floor can be care home. Come on, get out of here. Prince. 12th floor can be care home. Excuse me, yeah, we go to care home. Guinea me. Am I in London? No, just way back care home. I know be knock, I'm a cleaner. I know be nurse, I'm a cleaner. Do you have any problem with that? I'm a housekeeper. Look at them. Each and amona gives a feature. Do you think I'm your fellow CNA? Each and amona give a feature. Come on, Susu, forgive. No wonder you get time. Come on, Susu, forgive. Each and amona get on at the same class. Each of us bano we guru gas school. Je with a degree. Che when we muna get on at the same class. Imagine. Idiot to Chinabona and on the same Chineke. Ire Megulano. Gemana Shere, Gemano Uma Shawo. Negen Uma Shawe Chocolate Bano no Unu. Chimano Nyono I got on at the same low class. Those zoom round. Or they who well, always joy, I'm telling you. I'm so very bad now. Ozu, hachana anguha. In a year, and then I say, a very very useless idiot to us so short. I got an ariot to know it. Chanamono had the same level. Do I know what is unclear? Come on, Suzu. Bia, and my big Jimmy Gidan my block orgy. Ozu, do I know what is unclear? Look at our no here. I came my brother. Let me block you. I shower on do to get now. I won't not worry who will retire back on. Or you worry, I will not call on no, when I call also. From Lipo to Lipo, no worry. My block working for even mentioning a nobody on my platform. My block will go dig for mentioning a trash on my platform. Now, quarry who today, J. Chong engage Jilan of 1,500. Janamon with the same level. Do I know what is the class? Gemana Shiri, because I am no Kiara. All of you not down, the Chogono not down. Uno Biana Barrio, no one and coiling. Let me tell you, go to school, no look queen on Sagaga school, lay board your pass, ya. No look me, oh, no look me. Very soon, now, March 101 nonsense, 101 nonsense, and they jump over agency. Very soon, now, March your name, women. Just by taking a name, all the total care. You get Menka, you get HDA, you get that all black, but all 1 person can get nearly. My last remake go 12 hours or 16 hours with no stress. Let me require lose. Chena mona again on this. In us, defending at a bench, it's very useless. In us, one again, and again over. What do you wear? Thank God himself name and I'm not so offended us again. When she come in our so nane pantagana in all the pros of hotel no. Those who fucked up people larry. It's good that I'm here. Thank God in us I'm not so offended in the Hagana. At least I'm not see a bunch of the reason. Or this deep bunch. Even if the bogan shake on no the bogan shake can no what I go? Okay, if I can talk like you, I'll be very happy. Why? Go to my shame when I'm on no job. Why? Why? Imagine seeing you no man. So get you. I pity all of you. All of you guys are useless. We hopeless, you know. Oh, no name, man, she look an idiot. No, low level. Chomonyo no got drag it to a low level. When I carry remono. Ya won't know all these things. I'm na saga. I can't mess around my sister and I name MP. Yeah, peace. One name is doing her MP. When I graduate in a nursing school at the same time, she's rounding up by next year and I complete MP. Yeah. Come on, Jebana no when no roses. Nezuma, I'm no December. Peace is doing her MP. What on Bob, let's go. Mana opera. Mono no ganano na kame nation. The oh no, make una no dey drag anybody to follow una. No, na business, that's una life choice. Don't come here. Hey, you work in a care home. Uzu. You get lecture facility and in a hotel. Ya work care home can eme. Oh, you are an idiot. Work in a care home. You're in a care home. So you do you know what is the NCLES? Look at you in Ezeugo because you're not in one place. You want to shower like you. Because in my brain, you digest it right away. I pity all of you anyway. Oh no, need no this usuko no. Let's go to Bala no one number. Chamano no get you at the same level. I chineke na. Jepula jenyero when naka. Chamano na mo no that lowest of it all no there. The one bunch of fools. Come on, comment down ya banguru ya ma block or get bogagebe. My bend that shall we begin jano na pay as you go short time or no. You may ban way jano, jeba ko kwegi. Those come on, she no ya use the phone you so. Nejola je betando no chomoge chu na no ge chi bia no na poto. Chineke nwedere onye mkpeshiri ịkpọ gbuo ka m chetere ya chọọ mkpeshiri ịkpọ this girl echefu m ya kemgbe mkpeshiri ịkpọ this girl na-enwechefula m. That's how they will come to you. Man nemo, you didn't nemo to insult you. And when you give it to them now, you become a problem. Ogbogahashi Suzu. This guy gonna worry me well, na chitemo chan. She got a vest for me. na enwere mmadụ meshọnụrụ aha mụ na ọchụ oge si ha dash. Ee, na lekọ mmadụ meshọrọ m na ya. Achọghị. Work is better than prostitution. Oh, thank you. Chineke gozie ego. Dekpamo. What is this? Okay. Okay, good evening from Bucktown. It's okay, get pay. You can see the anyashu. And the follow as why. Hi. Today, get up is what they do. Yeah, today, get that. Now leave me alone. Nowhere. Hey, Chineke no. Nekwechwa me appreciate this person, almost 400,000 Baran Day widows Christmas. Being here Christmas. I need to thank them all. Drop easy. I need to thank them all. Like Marginals. Okay, you work in a camp. So you work in a camp. That's why you don't work again now as a care home. You went a time on name. Those who you work in a camp. In a camp. That's why you camp. Now, boom, we got so many now. Okay, good evening from California. You're welcome, Madam the BC. The BC, you're welcome, my darling. Hey, you did now. When are you going? I'm gonna miss Naija, oh, chai. I'm gonna miss Naija, oh, chai. Okay, good evening, oh, from New York. Good evening, my dear, oh. Tell me where you're watching from, oh. Kamana kam shake in the bar. You're welcome. Okay, please, I'm still asking, when is J-Pipe going to Nyashizam? Oga garela by force. Oga garela Nyashizam out, Chineka boy, idiots. I'm not a mo, Emronye, Governor New Shinkogalashe. Now, one yam did Russia, we ought to like email. Not to the motion of Balia. Hey, they get that. And they enter anytime from now to go and get Igbo on it. Good. Chai, I go miss Naija. How many months can you go? How many weeks? Boston, hey, you're welcome. Ezeugo, you're welcome. Okay, Boston, Massachusetts. Okay, you're welcome, my darling. Okay, good evening from Abba. Oh, my sister, Abane with the former Abane 80. Abane with the former Abane 80. Adademma. Yes, oh. Abademma, oh. Oge gama biko ike kenja arịa o nwere dressing m ga-eme by time. It's a must though. Okay, good evening from Atlanta, Georgia. I am at work 7 p.m. to 7 Ndo tomorrow. The one Ndo tomorrow. Chai. I don't understand that we still on this thing. Na 3 to 11 you day. I hate that shift. It starts to drag from 7 p.m. Yes, I don't like it. Well, I don't like morning. I'm not a morning person. Morning is the fastest. Night is the best. But because of dim, happen night. Yeah. Because of dim, I'll be the complaining. I'll be the complaining about me not being around every night. So I understood him perfectly well. So I may change my shift. 3 to 11 is almost the whole day. It takes your time, but hey, I like it somehow. It's not that too much stressful. But night is the best. Night you only pass medication once, then in the morning like I pass it. That's it. Doesn't really bother. Very laid back shift. I like it a lot. It's a very laid back shift. Another needing sobuna. Nobody they monitor you. Not much incident. Very humble. I like this shift. What is going on? Don't know what else they want. They want to marry a girl that is in outside the country. During a Jew now, Joanna. Berry of frozen. Oh, berry of frozen. What do you do when young miracle? A one boy in a boy. In a baron or gaggy boy. Now guys, time to go and do some things. Now in our cola, only one dressing to make. I'm gonna make a chat. Yeah, I will talk to you guys later.